I'm sorry. We are still in a truck. Matthew's having blood. I need that light on. Thank you very much. Can you turn that light on? Thank you. Oh, look at that. Go, jeez.
It's not annoying in the least.
Oh, the light.
Yes.
Oh, well, you can turn the light off then. When you're ready. It's really dark. No! Stop
I'm
turning it off now!
I'm confused! Oh God, I won't accelerate! Oh Jesus! Oh my God!
Oh my god, it's down a hill!
Holy shit! I'm not prepared for this! Mum, I love you!
I'm gonna find the wreckage and it's just gonna be the iPhone of someone
Right, that's
screaming.
it. Lights off. I've got a bank of traffic!
You do! You do!
There's shitloads of cars behind me! We're looking at this truck going, what the fuck is going on? Oh my God! There's a traffic jam in Ipswich! Some dickhead hired a truck! Look out, we're turning! 2 wheels off the ground! Oh God, I won't change gears! Come on!